bersama Shiko di sini kita akan melanjutkan gameplay Life is Strange. Kemarin kita udah berusaha buat mencegah kematian dari bapaknya Kui, yaitu Yoyam. Tapi Shiko masih agak bingung karena di akhiran kita lihat Kui dalam kondisi yang tidak seperti biasanya ya teman-teman. Kui udah nggak pakai rambut biru lagi, cuma dia tuh di kursi roda gitu loh teman-teman. Kira-kira apa ya yang sedang terjadi sama Kui? Langsung saja kita temukan jawabannya di chapter selanjutnya. Kemarin kita udah di Chaos Theory, berarti sekarang kita lanjut ke Dark Room. Oke.
Previously on Life is Strange.
Kita ulas balik dulu dari episode 1.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Don't ever touch me again, freak! Let's talk about your superpower.
Oke, ini
What are
waktu
you doing
Oke,
here, Max?
mau
Stop!
susah.
Don't come near me!
Not now. It won't work.
I know this isn't pleasant for any of us. Miss Caulfield, please, tell us everything.
Terus
Hey,
ini waktu
Stelman Louise.
kita nggak sengaja
That's
kasih
Rachel's
prank.
bracelet! Why the fuck are you wearing her bracelet?
Calm yourself, alright? It was a gift.
Max, we have to find Rachel
Apa
soon.
namanya?
Like you said, it's time to start the search for clues. Welcome to my domain. Let's find what we want and beat it.
Ini
Max,
waktu kita
you better come
ngobrol
check out
soal
these
hacker.
files.
Rachel in the dark room. Over and over. That's it.
Ini
Listen,
sih kita belum
I found pictures of Rachel and Frank being more than friends.
I can't believe she was banging Frank. Rachel straight up lied to my face. Why didn't she say anything?
So who do you most want to blame?
My fucking dad, of course. Hello?
kita balik ke masa lalu dan kita nge-revive ayahnya Paul.
Do you know what it's like to
Paul.
wait for your father to
Chloe.
come home when you're a kid? Ever since he died, my life has been dipped in shit.
Chloe, I am awesome. We are awesome.
Dan
Hello, are you even listening,
kita
Maxine?
temenan sama
This is totally
Victoria.
fucked
Oh my
up.
gosh.
What else have I changed?
Max Caulfield.
Lihat.
Hold on.
Bapaknya
Chloe,
Kui masih
you have a
hidup
visitor.
dan- Oh my gosh, kita melihat Kui dalam keadaan yang kurang baik. Tapi itulah konsekuensi kalau kita nge-revive ayahnya Chloe. Harus tetap ada kemalangan yang terjadi. Oke, kita mulai dari pantai. Ada apa itu? Kerang kah? Atau apa? Oke, kita tunggu. Apa itu? Dan seperti biasa, kita disuguhkan dengan pemandangan yang sangat memanjakan mata ya teman. Inilah yang Chico suka dari game Life is Strange. Kisahnya lumayan menarik, bukan lumayan, emang menarik, dan pemandangannya juga gak kalah bagus dari Tomb Raider. Cuma ini versi lebih cozy ya teman-teman. Kalau Tomb Raider kita kayak adventure gitu. Kalau ini lebih cozy. Banyak paus terdampar. Kita bersama Kui jalan-jalan, iya, menikmati angin sore hari. Chico sebenarnya nggak tega temen lihat Kui kayak gitu. Tapi emang sih
It's
Weird hanging out with you again.
I know. I'm glad we are, though.
It was nice that you sent me actual letters. It's more than any of my other friends have done. And you even wrote on that cool parchment paper. It's so Max.
So pretentious. But I love writing on it like an English poet. You deserve the best stationery.
Probably easier to write than to visit me. I don't mean that in a bitchy way. Not totally. You probably wanted to avoid awkward conversations like this.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Look, the worst thing you can do is treat me like a baby. I still want to laugh and talk shit with my best friend. Can we stop?
Okay.
This is seriously the best view of the sunset. What do photographers call that?
The golden hour.
See? Without you here, I'd have no clue. Bet you could take some amazing shots. Those beached whales are so sad. I kind of know how they feel. At least, I'm alive here with you.
Bener-bener deep banget ya teman-teman.
You're a real survivor, Chloe. I know you have to deal with so much.
I don't want anybody else feeling sorry for me.
Dia nggak mau
I can do that.
dikasihin.
Along with my parents. My dad still feels guilty about buying me that car.
Oke. Kita nggak mungkin menyalahkan bapaknya Chloe dan kita mungkin lebih fokus ke accident ya. teman-teman.
Are you okay to talk about the accident?
We never actually have, huh? There's not much to say. Some prick in an SUV cut me off and I flew into a ditch.
Do you remember everything?
I saw everything in bullet time. I felt my back snap and that was the last thing I ever felt in my body. When I woke up in the hospital, I literally couldn't move a muscle.
Jesus. I don't know what to say.
Dia
Don't say
info
anything.
total, teman-teman.
I'm just happy I did get to see you again. I could have ended up vanishing out of the blue like that girl from Blackwell.
Kita nggak mungkin dia kena Rachel nggak sih, karena kan dia kena accident. Mungkin lebih ke missing girl.
What missing girl?
I don't know her name. I just read about it in the news. I feel bad for her family.
This is such a different world than when we were kids, isn't it?
After that snow and eclipse, it's more like the end of the world.
Oke, berarti kalau misalnya siapa namanya dia kecelakaan, dia nggak ketemu Rachel teman-teman. Mungkin lebih ke don't say that.
Don't say that.
I'm not trying to bum you out. It just seems like Arcadia Bay is having a meltdown.
I know things seem out of control, but as long as we're
Dan
together,
kita lihat
I don't feel afraid.
Hanging out with you
di
makes me feel like a
bagian
total kid again.
hopeless banget.
You don't even know.
Listen, Chloe, I'm sorry I haven't been out to see you more. That was wrong. You're my best friend.
Max, thanks for coming out to see me. You're doing awesome.
I don't think so.
My nose is getting cold. Maybe we should get back to my place?
Oke.
It is hella cold out here.
Hella? I hate that word, no offense.
Oke, kita balik ke
None
rumah.
taken.
Chico bener-bener gak tega sih lihat si Chloe bisa jadi lumpuh kayak gitu teman-teman. Tapi ya emang konsekuensinya seperti itu. Kalau kita revive bapaknya Chloe, berarti kita harus siap untuk kemalangan selanjutnya, yaitu apa? Itu Chloe yang menanggung gitu. Ini mirip kayak itu teman-teman. Kalau kalian nonton drama Korea yang Marry My Husband, itu kan kayak gitu juga. Kalau kita bisa muter waktu, kemalangan demi kemalangan tuh harus ada ya penggantinya gitu. Dan di sini
It's
pengganti
a
dari
pretty high-tech
tulang
lair.
bapaknya
Feels
Chloe
like a high-tech
adalah
cell.
Chloe itu sendiri.
But I am lucky my parents bust their ass to take care of me. I know it's hard for them.
They're grateful you're here with them.
Right. Especially when they can't even take a walk alone. Sometimes I act like a total teenage brat just to give them an excuse to yell at me. Pathetic, I know.
Chloe, you're a great daughter. You're kind and sensitive when you don't even have to be.
Trust me, I still get my rage on. Especially when a nurse has to watch while I take a dump so she can wipe my bum. Or when doctors flip me around like I was a science doll.
I can't even imagine. But you're still amazing. You always have been since we were kids.
Thanks again for coming, Max. I, need to get my drink on. Can you bring me some water?
Boleh. Tapi kayaknya Ciku mau coba lihat-lihat dulu ya. Baik.
It's nice my parents sent a card at least. I wonder who this is. Kind of a generic card. I wasn't very available to Chloe. Real nice. At least I sent road trip selfies to Chloe. I'm sure that made her feel great.
Lucu ya surat-suratnya kita di situ.
Man, Joyce and William built a whole new bathroom for Chloe. I should offer to put makeup on for Chloe. Not that I can, but it would be fun.
Kita lihat-lihat
Chloe
dulu.
is still a punk at heart. That's so cool that Chloe has made friends online.
Chloe yang ini bener-bener jadi anak yang
Whoa,
sangat-sangat
Chloe
baik.
can totally control her computer. It's so great people get this high-tech help.
Bentar,
There's
Kui.
the old Chloe.
Oh itu air di situ. Bentar ya, Kui. Aku mau lihat-lihat.
I
dulu.
still can't believe I put Chloe in that chair.
Kayaknya udah deh, kita kasih airnya dulu ya. Kasian Kui
Drink
batuk-batuk.
up, Buttercup.
Oh man. No wonder my throat is dry. I don't think I've talked this much the whole year.
Have you ever thought about doing a podcast or something?
I wish I could punch your face right now. A podcast? Dude, I am a pod in a cast. Boring.
Ouch. It was just a thought.
I know you're just trying to help.
Yeah, that's become a bad habit of mine.
You sound like an adult now. It seems like we were kids in another life.
Seems like yesterday.
To me, it seems like yesterday we were little brats here, watching Power Rangers and destroying the kitchen.
Oh my god. We covered everything in flour. Even my parents.
That was so hilarious.
But a long time ago. You're the only person that I grew up with who visits me. As you can see, I can't keep all my other friends away.
Kita harus tetap bilang you have me. Kalau misalnya kita bilang which friend, takutnya dia sedih teman.
You have me.
Dia nggak tahu di mana.
I'm not leaving you, Chloe.
Well, you didn't visit me a lot either. I mean, I loved your cards and photos, but
I know I wasn't around much. No excuses, I'm a loser. But I am trying to make things right.
how? Dude, you're not Supermax. And I'm not trying to guilt trip you. That's what my parents are for.
Oke, kita harus bilang they love you.
They love you so much.
I know. My mom and dad are so cute. They always pop in here and make sure everything's okay with me.
I think Joyce and William are incredible.
Max, the accident has been so hard on them. Our insurance sucks, and the medical bills are fucking insane.
I bet aja deh.
I bet. This tech must be crazy expensive.
Along with the drugs, the nurses, the supplies.
Kalau nanyain
Mom and dad
apakah
are
dia
always
bisa
broke, and
bayar,
they get so
takutnya
frustrated.
dikira mereka nggak bisa bayar.
Chloe, You're priceless. No pun intended.
You are such a geek. That's why I love you. Of course, I know a geek when I be one. See, I'm practically a human entertainment system. It would be sweet to chill out together and watch a movie like when you'd spend the night at my house.
What do you want to watch?
I think I'm in like a mellow Blade Runner mood.
Oke.
I always cry at the end. Plus, you know I always wanted to have cool colored bangs like Pris.
I know. You would look incredible with blue hair. Now let's get this show on the road.
Oh,
And you better
dia
not fall asleep on me
chat
like you
rambut
always do when you
gara-gara
watch movies.
terinspirasi
I remember,
karakter
Max.
Kim.
Swear I won't fall asleep. Not when you're here. Not yet.
Oke, kita harus cari kaset teman-teman buat nonton. Tapi bentar, Siku belum cek bagian sini.
Oh man. She has to use that ventilator just to breathe. At least Chloe doesn't weigh that much.
Kita cari.
Despite everything, they're still a happy family again. It's cool that in this reality, Chloe really loves skating too.
Masih clue yang sama, cuman dia terkendala sama sakitnya.
Wowza. Chloe was a straight A student. She could have gone to any college.
Dia pintar ternyata teman-teman. Oke. Kalau waktu itu dia nilainya CD gitu kan.
Does Chloe look at the garden and think about her childhood? She can't even feel the grass now.
Iya, kasihan Chloe.
That's a serious heat lamp.
Baunya tuh ini bener-bener berubah.
Hello,
total.
Chloe. She likes fluffy animals now.
Kita cari di sini coba.
Oh my god. I made that mix for her when we were 12.
Oke, DVD playernya di situ. Kita lihat-lihat dulu.
Oh, the snow dough. I guess not everything changed. Snow globes are taking over.
Oke, udah. Terus tinggalin bawah sini.
Here's the DVD.
Dan kita nyalakan dulu. Oke, kita nonton film dulu ya teman-teman. Kita nonton film bersama Kui dan apa yang terjadi? Oh, udah pagi teman-teman. Tidur dong. Bangun Max. Bangun. Malah turun. Aduh Max. Lah, Kui malah gak tidur. Malah Max yang tidur. Apa lagi?
I cannot believe you fell asleep so fast. How dare you?
I know you were beat down after the day with me, and Blade Runner is a pretty dreamy movie to watch at night. Do you think Deckard is a replicant? Sorry, I can see you're not wide awake like me.
No, I'm sorry I crashed so hard. Were you okay?
I do have a mother and father when you're not falling asleep on me.
You are a bitch in the morning.
It's the company I keep. Yesterday was such a blast.
It was great seeing you.
I know things were different when we were just dorky kids, but being with you made me feel like when we were little pirates, jumping and running through the forests again. It meant a lot to me just to chill out with you and bullshit.
Kasihan.
Fuck. I'm getting my regular head pains. Can you, pretty please, go upstairs and get my morphine injector in the bathroom?
Oke.
Morphine injector?
It's total Star Trek shit. You can't even see the needle. Seriously, I need it. My parents keep the swag upstairs because they think I can't get to it. But you can, Max. Like a pirate, right?
Oke.
I'm on it, Chloe.
Oke, karena Kui butuh. Kasian ya, sumpah. Itu bener-bener kayak sedih gitu liatnya.
Damn. This is just for Chloe's basic supplies. Bonjour. That's great they finally went to Paris.
Bentar, ada chat. What every girl different from she wants to love and self-love matter and so to feeling that jangan if you want to something to something like you. Kita temenan sama Victoria. Kok bisa kita temenan sama Victoria, teman-teman? Kita teman baik juga sama bisa. Iya beneran, kita temenan sama Victoria, kita temenan sama Nathan. Kita lihat-lihat dulu.
These whales are just a preview of the tornado to come. And the Prescott Foundation? Jeez. They might get their own home taken away because of medical bills. That's terrible.
Halo Pak.
Hey, William. Am I bothering you?
Why, yes, Max, I love going through bills. Kidding. How can you bother me? I haven't seen you in forever.
I know. You look exactly the same. It's so cool.
Good. Or I'd be scared if I didn't look like me. Of course, you seem more adult now. So what's on your mind?
Kui.
I don't know how to say this, but I'm truly sorry about what happened to Chloe.
Me too. All it takes is a few minutes to change a girl's whole life. But she's alive. She's been a trooper.
Good, we hear aja.
She is amazing. I'm so glad you're here to help her. And be her father.
I'm so glad Joyce is here to help us both. Max, I just hate to think of what would happen to Chloe if I wasn't here.
William, I just want you to know that whatever happens, I'll always be here for Chloe. Always.
I know you will, Max.
Katanya Joyce aja tuh.
Being around you and Joyce again is so nostalgic.
Very old school, as they say. I think it's great for Chloe to see you. Makes Joyce happy, too. So, it's not all bad news in Arcadia Bay. Or is it?
Pembicaraan yang baik. Crazy.
What do you think is going on with all of this crazy weather and animals dying?
Nobody knows, right? It is Nostradamus type shit, pardon my French. But all I actually care about now is Chloe and Joyce. My family.
Iya sih, benar juga. Tanya tentang Prescott family maybe?
The Prescott family might be bad news. What do you think about them?
Evil. Next question?
Sounds like you know them well.
More than I want to. But Joyce has to work for those greedy bastards at Pan Estates. I don't even like to think about it.
Ini coba.
I was reading about that missing girl, Rachel Amber.
Oh, yeah, she went to Blackwell, right? Oh, poor thing. That's a real nightmare for a family. I get scared thinking about Chloe and that we might lose her someday.
Oke, kita tanya ini.
So you finally made it to Paris.
Oui, as they say. Not me, because I can't speak French. But it was a great experience, especially for Chloe.
I can see her loving it there.
Chloe udah sempet keluar
You guys rock for going on a family adventure like that.
She talked about going to school there, but that's not practical anymore. It's not fair, Max.
I was impressed by Chloe's room and all the high-tech equipment.
You should be. We could buy a few mansions for what it all costs. The insurance helps, but I don't know, Max.
I know it must be hard on you guys, financially.
These bills are more like crushing. We have to mortgage our home, and that's pretty scary. But we'll get through it. Price is always right. Get it? No?
I have to go see if Chloe needs anything. It was so great talking with you again.
You act like it's the last time. And please, keep me from these bills whenever you want.
Oke, Pak.
No change to spare anymore. Now it's back to cookies. Choices of food coupon boss.
Oke, nanti kita ke atas ya teman-teman karena Chloe butuh.
Joyce and William never had a garage sale before. They're drowning in debt just to take care of their daughter. Such bullshit.
Mereka benar-benar terlilit banyak hutang teman-teman karena ya balik lagi ya, teknologi dan pengobatan itu tidak murah dan tidak gratis teman-teman. Bentar ya, kita pengen lihat sini dulu, boleh tidak? Kamar Chloe teman-teman.
At least we never had to hide from Stepdouche. I guess we stopped growing up together.
Kita benar-benar nostalgia dulu masa-masa Chloe.
I'm still overwhelmed by this new reality. I feel so guilty for putting Chloe and her family through this.
Enggak sih, itu
I
bukan salah.
could give Chloe the choice of keeping William alive, but that would be cruel.
Kita biarkan bapaknya tetap hidup tapi
I never heard much about William's brother. Shoes. Chloe always did love stomping around toys. I kind of want to open this and see what's in here. They bought crutches for Chloe, hoping she might walk again.
Oh, ada yang kaki teman-teman.
Too bad Joyce and William can't get any help from the Prescott Foundation.
Bener-bener ini ya, mereka tuh ya itu tadi terlilit hutang, terus terlihat kayak kasihan gitu.
It's all about you, Arcadia Bay, isn't it?
Oh, ada kaki.
Oh,
Ada
Max,
kaki.
it is so nice to have you around.
Halo. Kita lihat-lihat dulu.
Joyce is already a supermom.
Bentar.
Joyce used to hate smokers in the diner.
Good morning, Max. Oh, you and Chloe are so much quieter now than when you were kids.
I remember. It's nice waking up in your house again.
Oh, William and I love it. Finally seeing you and Chloe together after all these years. After the accident.
Kita bahas Chloe.
I wish I was a better friend. I know Chloe doesn't get many visitors.
Oh, Max, you're Chloe's best friend for a reason. You're here exactly when she needs you.
I hope so.
I hope so. You guys do such an amazing job taking care of her.
We can only do so much, and she gets damn sick of her parents. That's why it's so important you came to spend time with her. Max, Chloe's condition is not improving. Her respiratory system is very weak, and she... Do you know what I'm saying?
Joyce. I'm so sorry you have to go through all this.
Bad or good, I embrace every moment with my daughter and my husband. This is what it means to be a family, and we'll always be one, no matter what.
Jadi Chloe tidak ada perkembangan teman. Tegas William dia.
I have to tell you how much I love seeing you and William together again.
He's been such a hero through all this. Chloe and I are lucky to have him.
Chloe and William seem like they still get along so good.
Yeah, those two are closer now more than ever. Chloe will actually listen to William while
Kok
she
pilih jawabannya
usually
emang
ignores me. Oh, it's so
mencerminkan
cute when they
karakter
gang
Max
up
aja
on
itu.
poor old me.
You rule, Joyce.
Jadi
Things would be different if I did.
kita harus jadi
I like how you think,
dan
kid.
harus sopan gitu.
How are you doing, Joyce?
I'm doing the best I can, Max. I won't lie, it's difficult, but nobody said life was easy here in Arcadia Bay.
Iya sama. Kita
Plus, you guys have to work too.
Bill and I have no time for ourselves. We're working more than we're living. I even had to take a part-time gig at Pan Estates. Ugh.
Do you know the Prescotts?
I know that Sean Prescott won't be happy until he owns everything in Arcadia Bay. Stay away from his son, Nathan.
Oke. Tapi kita teman baiknya Nathan. Udah lah.
So, what do you think is going on here with all of this eco-havoc?
Maybe Arcadia Bay just wants to be left alone. I know the feeling. Honestly, I don't give a shit about too much outside our house.
I don't blame you, Joyce.
Except now we have dead birds and beach whales outside our front door. So maybe I should care, for Chloe's sake.
Gitu. Bukannya David Madsen
Do you know somebody named David Madsen? He, might hang out at the Two Whales.
Well, that was random. Yeah, he's a bus driver. He comes in sometimes. Cute, quiet. Why?
Oh, I was just curious.
You always were. Nice to see that everything doesn't change.
I better get back to Chloe now. It's good talking with you, Joyce.
You too, honey.
Oke, kita udah berbicara sama mereka.
Oh no. I didn't realize how bad Chloe's injury really was.
Pokoknya dari tadi yang kita temenin adalah kayak surat-surat hutang, surat-surat rumah sakit gitu. Kita lihat-lihat dulu semuanya
That
ya.
is such a sweet shot of Chloe. I wonder who took the picture. William is trying so hard. He's still awesome. Look at them. They have no idea what's in their future.
Jadi di sini bagusnya adalah keluarga mereka emang baik-baik aja, cuman yang malah untuk dulu teman-teman. Serba salah juga ya, Max.
How's it going, Time Tripper? Funny. I think I look old. The bathroom looks almost the same. Just more medicine.
Ini kita cari.
Here it is. I never thought I'd be delivering morphine to my best friend.
Oke, kita udah dapat. Kita lihat-lihat dulu semuanya.
Nothing here. It's cool that Chloe uses natural medicine too.
Tidak ada ya teman. Oke, kita matikan dulu. Kesannya kita itu ya teman. Kesannya kita kayak abis dari kamar mandi doang. Padahal kita ambil ini. Halo Pak, ngomong lagi bisa nggak?
I definitely have to take a third job.
Oke Pak, maaf.
These bills should all just say, "Dear sir, you are screwed."
Halo Kui, maaf lama. Tadi aku ngomong dulu sama ibu sama bapak kamu. Nih aku kasih ini.
Finally. Give me the blue pill.
I'm sorry. I'm nosy, but not precise.
Go ahead and plug it right in. It's so easy. And painless.
Okay, but get ready to yell for your folks if I screw up.
Oh, trust me. I will.
Oke. Sudah.
Of course, my pain just keeps getting worse. But you caught me on a good day. Max, I'm so grateful that I'm even able to hang out with you. See, I'm getting mushy. I'm already high.
You're so adorable. Do you want anything else?
Stop me if I'm being too emo, but can you grab one of the photo albums over there?
Bisa?
I'd like to check out some old pictures of us when we were kids.
Oke.
Please. My diary is like emo ground zero. Plus, Max Caulfield does not pass up a photo op with Chloe Price. Ever.
Oke teman. Ini. Oke, kita ambil. Halo Kui, yang ini kah? Kita nostalgia dulu waktu kita kecil deh.
Is that okay?
Perfect. Oh my god, look how little we are there. We look like toys.
I remember that day by the lighthouse.
My dad was pissed at us. He actually tried to give us a timeout.
And you laughed at him. My dad would have banished me.
Kita.
Whoa, awesome picture. We look so badass in our pirate gear.
We should have taken over Arcadia Bay when we had the chance.
There's still time for you.
Pembahasan dua bestie yang sangat bestie teman.
Oh man, there we are making pancakes. I love that shot of us. It's hard to believe my dad took that picture only 5 years ago.
Literally seems like yesterday.
I wish it was.
Me too.
Masih
This
belum
photo. Maybe I could.
Next, apa yang akan kamu
Listen,
lakukan?
Max. My respiratory system is failing, and it's only getting worse. I've heard the doctors talking about it when they thought I was zonked out.
Oh no.
So, I know I'm just putting off the inevitable while my parents suffer along, and I will too. This isn't how I want things to end.
What? What are you saying?
Ya, maksudmu
I'm
apa?
saying that being with you again has been so special. I just wanted to feel like when we were kids running around Arcadia Bay and everything was possible, and you made me feel that way today. I want this time with you to be my last memory.
No, Kui.
You understand?
What do you
Yes.
mean?
I do.
All you have to do is crank up the IV to 11.
Dinaikin dosisnya kah? Nggak tahu.
Chloe, I really don't know if I can do this. I had another friend who wanted to end it all, and I did everything I could to try and save her life.
Tuh.
How can I be responsible for ending yours? I mean, there's gotta be another way.
Max, you were there for your friend, no matter what.
Tapi nggak
Now
gitu.
I'm asking you to help me the same way.
Nggak.
I want to help you, Chloe, but I think my help is hurting.
At least you have a choice. When you want to make a decision, you can just do it. Look at me. I'm at the mercy of everybody. For once, I want to make my own choice. The most important one of my life. Please. Help me, Max.
Enggak, kui mau kita overdosisin obatnya dan akhirin hidupnya, but nggak mau. No.
Chloe, I can't. It wrecks me to see you in any pain, but I don't have any right to do this.
I'm an adult. I'm giving you the right.
But Joyce and William,
I already said my goodbyes to them, but they won't honor my wishes. You will, right?
I can't kill you with an overdose.
Max, I'm dying from my illness, not my dosage. This accelerates the process. I'd rather go out on a wave than a rock. And I want my best friend to help me out.
I am going to help you, but not like that.
Tuh, nggak kayak
You
gitu
have to
caranya.
believe me, Chloe.
Why, Max? You're just bailing on me like everybody else. Why don't you go now?
Kok gitu?
You've been wanting to since you got here, right? So go and don't come back.
Kok kamu gitu, kui?
Chloe, I am never leaving you again.
Dia mau bunuh diri, tapi kita nggak kabulin dan dia marah-marah begitu.
I'm sorry, William.
Oke, mau nggak mau berarti kita harus biarkan William meninggal.
In France, they call them
Oke, apakah akan terjadi?
Someday Dad'll get one of them newfangled computers.
I hope the flash didn't scare you, Max. This is a keeper.
Oke.
Hello? Hey, honey. What? Oh, I didn't know you had to get groceries. Of course I'll come pick you up. Shit, where are my keys?
That's $1 for the swear jar.
You mean your college funds?
Nggak enak ya, tahu masa depan.
You can't hide from me forever.
Sedih banget.
And no Chloe and Max wine tasting session.
Dad.
Don't blow it, because tonight your mother promised to make us
Kita
a
bakar
world-famous salmon
foto
surprise
yang
with
buat kita
chocolate
bisa
cake
rewind
for
waktu.
dessert. Max, you'll be here too, right?
She's never leaving me.
That makes all of us.
Kita sedih tuh.
Max, you are being so fucking strange. Like you're never gonna see us again.
Chloe, I'm so sorry. I tried to make things different for you. I did try. I'm sorry.
I don't know exactly what you're talking about, but come on. You have made things different, like my whole life. You're my best friend. I've got you and a great family. What's to be sorry for? We'll be best friends forever. And when we grow up, we're taking over the world.
Listen, whatever happens, I want you to be strong. Even if you feel like I wasn't there for you. Because I will never abandon you, Chloe. I'll always have your back. Always.
Oke, dan boom, semuanya terjadi begitu saja. kita kembali pada masa-masa William pergi untuk selama-lamanya. Karena berat, kita harus pilih teman kita atau bapak teman kita. Karena pada akhirnya kita harus milih siapa yang akan merasakan kemalangan itu. Dan ya, kecelakaan mobil itu berganti kepada kue yang rebel dan kue yang nakal atau kayak pergaulannya kurang baik. Ini sama aja kita balik. Oke teman-teman, gimana ya? I have nothing to say gitu loh. Kayak kita udah berusaha untuk bikin sesuatu yang berbeda. Kita mencoba kue ini supaya lebih apa ya namanya, kayak kue dapat keluarga yang bahagia. Tapi ternyata kue sengsara karena dia sakit teman-teman. Dan ya seperti yang Chico bilang tadi, ini mirip sama drama Korea judulnya Marry My Husband yang dibintangin sama Park Min Young itu, yang semua kemalangan itu tidak bisa dihindari. Kalaupun bisa rewind waktu, itu harus ada yang ngegantiin gitu. Dan di sini yang ngegantiin kemalangan bapaknya itu ya Kui. Dan berarti sia-sia sih kok kalau kita revive bapaknya. Nggak sia-sia, cuman emang batinnya si Max ini itu lebih condong ke temennya gitu loh. Ya kayak daripada temen gue menderita lebih banyak dan bahkan dia suffer pengen mati, jadi lebih baik kita selamatin dia dan bikin dia merelakan bapaknya gitu sih. Ini benar-benar sedih banget sih. Tapi kita bakal lanjut di episode selanjutnya ya teman-teman. Terima kasih buat kalian udah nonton. Sampai jumpa lagi. Dan bye-bye. Semangat puasanya.